Hey, it's Mark again, and we're talking about the Model 3 Highland dashboard. Now, this is our dashboard replacement piece. This clips in and locks into your dash, just like the OEM one. So this is the gray cloth material covered, and you can see it has locks on the back and clips, so it locks in place, just like ours. So if you buy this, you get a replacement piece, and it will replace this, and we teach you how to remove it from the car. Now, if you buy these cheap, flimsy ones that other people are selling, these are caps. And notice the tape on these. They come with tape that sticks to carpet. It's designed to stick to carpets. So we honestly were selling something similar to this for a while. And you'll notice that a cap fits on like this. The edges show, they don't fit really good. And the worst part is when this heats up in the sun, the tape just comes right off. So imagine you got this sitting out in sunlight, warming it up, the tape's loosening, the air conditioning's blowing the rear defog or the front defrost, whatever it is, and it's going to loosen it right up and it's going to come right off. So don't buy a dashboard cap. We recommend replacements only. You'll never regret it. The Model 3 and the Model Y, we've sold thousands and thousands over the years, and we don't sell a cap. Caps just don't last. Always go with a full replacement for the main dashboard piece. Now the other two in our kit are overlays, but they're not securing in a way that they're going to ever come loose. They're going to bond and stick great. They're going to hold on to plastic. They're not going to hold on or attempt to hold on to some kind of a fabric like this. So again, buy the replacement. Don't buy a cap. You won't regret it, and you get a lifetime warranty and a 1-year warranty on the ultraviolet coating that we put on everything we sell at RPM. Thanks.